tired and my room is a mess. Don't worry, we'll fix it together. Yown! I'm so sleepy. You can do it, Finley. Just over the car. Whoa! Oh, be careful. Whew, almost made it. Yown! Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Tee-hee! Oh my, so sleepy. Good night, Finley. Look at all these magical toys we've gathered. Aren't they wonderful? Whoa, they're glowing. Oh, a ball. Don't drop your toys, Finley. I dropped them. Just try again. Whoa, gotcha. Thanks, Fairy May. Oh my, you're so silly. Here, let me help you. Oh, thanks, you're the best. Humph. What's wrong, Finley? Just a bit pouty. Don't worry, it'll be all right. Time to clean up, Finley, just like this. Wow, that's amazing, Fairy May. Ta-da! Wow, it's beautiful. Open your eyes. Wow, what are those? Wow. For you. They're beautiful. Wow. Wow. Here, try these. They fit. Wonderful. Now let's go. They fit. Oh, they're perfect. Now you can fly. Now, Finley, just like we practiced. I can do it, Fairy May. Listen closely, Finley. We must find the moonstone before sunrise. The moonstone? I'm so sleepy. I know you are, but the night needs you. Come on. All right, I'm ready. Let's do this. Wonderful. The forest awaits. Go, Finley, go! Wow! Wow! Hooray! Yown, I'm so sleepy. Don't worry, I can help. Wow, that was fast. Good night, Mr. Bear. Good job, Finley. Oh, look, he's sliding again. Got them, Fairy May. I have something for you. Wow, a train. Thank you. I'm just so tired. Look at those blocks. Let's make this fun. Wow, you're helping me so fast. Look at them. They're amazing. I can spin and spin forever. Time for bed, little prince. Wow, thank you, Fairy May. We did it! Yeah, we did. Come along, Finley. It's time for bed. Okay, Fairy May. I'm sleepy. Don't worry, Finley. Let's make tonight special. Wow, what is that?